Hi, Richard Bourne here from Cook and Bathe, and welcome to our stand at the Melbourne Home Show. I'm going to take you through a few of our products that we have on display here. We're going to start off in our bathroom setting. Something new that's just come out is our 1400 freestanding bath. It's a unique size that's just come out. As you can see here in this bathroom, we've also got the new matte black frame shower screens, which complements what's in trend at the moment with all the matte black tapware as well. Illuminated mirrors is another big hit that's around here at the moment to complement these vanities. Wall hung, obviously, for smaller bathrooms to give you that feel of space. Vanities now coming with soft close on the drawers, and once again matte black tapware and matte black waste to complement the look. I'll take you over now to the appliance area. So a new addition to our stable is Euro appliances. This is just a small sample of what this brand has to offer, from stainless steel gas cooktops to glass cooktops, and also induction. So induction cooktops, easy to keep clean and wipe down. Ovens, good offering of ovens as well. The 90 centimeter ovens is fairly unique because it's one of the few that gives you the full 90 centimeter capacity. A lot of them are a bit smaller, but this gives you that full 90 centimeter capacity. Telescopic rails in here. Undermount arrangements, as you can see, fully concealed, or traditional slide outs. Behind us here, we've got a small offering of basins to show you. This is just a few for what we do. We have a much larger selections in our showrooms, but it gives you a feel for the solid surface basin and all the new design ceramic basins as well. We'll move on to the Alfresco area. So Alfresco is another new addition to our stable as well. So we've got cabinetry as well as the barbecue, cooler fridges, sinks and taps. Comes in a host of different sizes to suit any size Alfresco really. So, and there's a good process you go through to select the right one for you. All lit up with LED to give you that extra ambience in your Alfresco area. Now we'll just move over to the tap board. This is Phoenix's latest range of tapware. It gives you a good understanding of all the colors that are on trend at the moment here and that Phoenix have to offer. You've got the brushed gold, gunmetal, all-time favorite, which is the rose gold and matte black, and all the matching showers and wall mixes to complement the range. Over here on in the toilet area, we have in-wall toilets, so everything's fully concealed behind this wall. Touch button, so it's a nice clean look. Soft close seats. And as we move on, we've got the Chroma with their new technology in rimless, which is this one here. This is their clean flush range, which does not have a rim, so it's easy to keep clean. There's nothing nooks and crannies that you have to clean under. And we'll move over to the Frankie Sinks. Now, Frankie's renowned for sinks and taps and quality too. That's the most important. They're the best quality sinks and taps that you'll get on the market. A couple of things with Frankie is the Fragonite black sinks made with a sanitary grade finish. Also, they've got the flush mounted range over here. As you can see, it sits very flush against the bench tops, whatever bench tops. It also can be undermounted as well. New addition to their stables are the black taps, which is the pyro over here with a pull-out spray. Again, once again, to complement the coloured sinks as well. We've also got the roller mat that's over here, which gives you, lets you create extra bench space when you need it. So again, easy to keep away and easy to open up. Creates more bench space. So if you want to put a strainer on there or put any additional pots, that's what the roller mat does for you. So thank you very much. And if you want to see these products, touch and feel it, come down and visit us on the stand at the home show. Thank you.